Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing a little updated tanning routine for when I have to last minute tan the morning of an event. And of course, I'll be using all my favorite Loving Tan tanning products throughout this video. I'm also so excited to be testing out Loving Tan's brand new product, the Deluxe Gradual Tan, in this video as well. When they started revealing the sneak peeks about a new product coming out, I was so hoping it would be a gradual tan, as I love using a gradual tanning moisturizer to extend the life of my tan. Just as a disclaimer, Loving Tan does hook me up for all my tanning needs, which I am so grateful for since I tan basically every weekend, but I wasn't paid for this video or told to say anything specific about the product, and as always, all opinions are completely my own. But if you do want to know how I went from the left to the right in only a matter of a few hours, then just keep on watching. So first up, we are going to be taking the tan removing and skin polishing glove to ensure my skin is silky smooth for tan application. Ideally, you want to be exfoliating a few days beforehand as well to make sure all old tan and dead skin cells are out of here. But on the day of, just pop in the shower and take the pink side of the glove to lightly exfoliate any skin that doesn't need much work but just a final little scrub. And then the more harsh black side on any rough areas like your elbows and knees, and any tough to remove old tan. As our final bit of prep, apply moisturizer to your hands and any rough areas on your body. Now that I am silky smooth, let's move on to the tanning. I usually use the 2-Hour Express in dark and apply before I go to bed for maximum darkness. However, lately I've just been too lazy to tan at night and have just been wanting to go to sleep. Luckily, with the 2-Hour Express, you can tan in the morning and be considerably darker by your event at night. I'm applying my tan with the Deluxe Applicator Mitt, which is a velour velvety mitt. It is nice and thick with a foamy inside that protects your hands from the product. Take a few pumps and apply with circular motions. All you want to do is make sure the guide colour is everywhere. Don't stress if it looks a bit patchy in areas. This is just the guide colour, not the tan itself. As long as the liquid is everywhere and you feel kind of wet everywhere, you will get an even tan. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend you tan in a bikini because you will get tan all over it like I am here, but for demonstrative purposes, I'm going to have to make do. So here is a before and after of what the foam looks like on, so you can see just how dark the foam looks. To tan your hands, face and feet, you want to be applying a heap of moisturizer just so it doesn't cling to any rough patches, and then use whatever is left on your mitt to apply. Now that I've gone away and finished applying my tan, and this is how it has turned out, I'm just going to pop on my tanning dress, which I feel like everyone who tans must have. This dress is long enough to cover my arms and ensure I won't get tan on anything I sit on, but it is nice and loose without any tight elastic on it that will rub, which is what you want from the clothing you're wearing while you're sitting around in your tan. Now you want to set your timer for 2 hours, try not to sweat too much while you wait, and once the timer is up, rinse off your tan in the shower until your water runs clear. So this is how the 2-Hour Express looks on its own, straight out of the shower, after only 2 hours of developing time. I have honestly never tried a tan that has been this dark after a shower and only 2 hours of being on, with most having to be left on for 6 hours, then after washing develop overnight to be this dark. Now for the most exciting part of this video, the brand new Gradual Tan. Loving Tan has literally just released this product last week, and I'm so incredibly excited to try it out. I usually use a normal moisturizer after I hop out of the shower to prolong my tan, but now not only can I keep my skin super soft, which will really lock in your tan, but I can actually make my tan even darker with the Gradual Tan element. They have come out with 3 shades, a light, medium and dark, depending on how dark you want your tan to be. I used the dark today to be super duper bronzed. I applied it with my hands, which I wouldn't totally recommend because it does slightly stain your hands immediately after use. However, I did wash my hands straight away and the product didn't actually tint my skin after it developed. So I found it is fine to use your hands. However, as the product has a tint to it, you may be left with slightly bronzed hands for a little while. So far, I'm absolutely loving the Gradual Tan. It's made my skin super soft like any good moisturizer, gave my skin an immediate glow, and the next day after it had fully developed, made my tan much darker than it normally would be. And really, it isn't an added step to your routine at all, as you normally would be moisturizing your skin anyway. Now I'm going to do my hair while I wait for the moisturizer to fully set in, and I will be right back for the final step in my tanning routine for a night out. With my hair nicely curled, I'm now going to take the Bronze Shimmer Cream, also in dark, and apply that to my chest and arms. As I'm wearing a longer dress, I'm not doing my legs tonight, however it does look stunning on the legs as well. The shimmer cream is much easier to apply on moisturized skin as it helps it glide over the body. So I would recommend you either use the Gradual Tan or another moisturizer right before you apply the shimmer cream. You can't really see the shimmer on camera, but this stuff really makes you glow, especially in the sun or flash photography. Now I'm just going to change, pop on some makeup, and I'm ready for my night out. This routine is honestly so quick and easy, perfect for last minute plans or if you're just lazy like me. I am going to keep testing out the Gradual Tan, and I'll let you know any other thoughts I have in the description down below. If you are a beginner to fake tan or want more in-depth info about why I do each step the way I do, as well as more tips for prep and prolonging your tan, make sure you check out my previous tanning routine video, which I will link up on the right and down below. Don't forget, if you did want to grab any Loving Tan products, you can use my code with any tan purchase. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Check me out over on Instagram to see what my tan looks like in image form on the daily. And hit that bell icon if you want to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you so much as always for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys! Mwah.